Encourage shoppers to build a wish list before crucial sales seasons. Experience how this flow will work for your customers. Here you see a banner on the homepage. Interact with it. It opened a full-screen story experience. Tap right to see the next story. Here is the next story. Tap right to see the other one. Have you noticed the product cards for the items in the video? Click it to see the product details. This is where you choose color and size without going to the PDP. Now click the Add to Wishlist button. Intuitive and engaging. Start creating similar experiences for your shoppers today.